this is more of a do-it-yourself type of thing. I'm just trying this out because this is the only thing I could think of that will work. This is Gorilla Glue. Now, it's clear Gorilla Glue, and if you've ever used Gorilla Glue, it gets kind of pasty. One of the nice things I like about Gorilla Glue is that when you're putting it in an area that, let's say, liquid could just keep trickling down or falling down, I don't like it because it doesn't stay, it doesn't stick, and it's like water and the glue will get everywhere, like crazy glue and stuff. So I like to use Gorilla Glue because it gets kind of pasty, and once you put it on, it stays on, and you have to be careful. You can't put too much because then it expands. So my situation is my son's gaming chair. This is broken, so as you can see, it's completely broken. The clip broke off. So I'm just gonna put a dab of crazy glue here and do some wire ties to hold it down, because I can feel at the other end there's still a plastic piece. So I'm looking to do is glue the other plastic piece that broke off of this together and then glue it down. And the reason I don't use crazy glue is because I don't want the crazy glue to start falling through the chair, through these little canals. I'd like it to sit there. So with the crazy glue, I could just put a couple of dabs and then press it down. I'm gonna use some wire ties to hold it down for a few hours, maybe for a day, and then come back and see if it worked. So this is do it yourself. I'm a regular guy. I'm just trying this out. I try things and that's it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So this is the crazy glue. Let me open it up. Purchased this on Amazon for 5-6 hours. I like crazy glue. I also actually love crazy glue. I also like the, see, it's more of like a paste instead of a liquid. I also like the tape. So let me open this up. I believe I have to cut an opening. No, I don't need to cut the tip like you have to do with crazy glue at all. Cool. I just did a dab there just to test it, as you can see. No cutting, and a little dab right there. That's it. So it stays kind of pasty. It doesn't get watery. That's why I'm using it in this application. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. I may not. Give me a moment. So I just put a couple of dabs on top, as you can see, and then I'm just going to put this down. Okay, and let me put the wire tie around here, and then we'll come back tomorrow to see if it worked. There's the wire tie. Let me cut the ends. I don't like the ends because they poke. Also, I used to work in a networking group, and we used to use wire ties sometimes to keep cables together. And I always cut them because when you went into a networking closet and you had these things sticking out sometimes, you wouldn't notice them with all the, stuff all around. You get poked in the eye with them. So I always cut them. So let's come back tomorrow. So I got caught up in a bunch of tasks, so it's actually 2 days later, and let's see if it worked. Make sure it's... Be careful not to cut the chair. Okay. Perfect. And it's stuck. Hey, it worked. Not coming up, nothing came over to the sides. Let me clean this up. It looks great. No issues whatsoever. It glued very well. It's just like the other one. Yep, not coming up at all. The thing is, it's permanent now. Over here it's permanent. I guess we could undo this side if anything. But it worked. The Gorilla Glue worked on the computer chair. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day now. Bye now.